if you're a streamer looking to increase engagement in your chat, whether you're streaming on YouTube or whether you're streaming on Twitch, one of the best things you can do is using Streamlabs timer function to increase that engagement. So let's take a look at how it works. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to streamlabs.com/dashboard. And I'm assuming that you have a Streamlabs account already. Once you're in here, you're on the left-hand side, you want to go under the menu, under Essentials to CloudBot. And we're going to go over here to timer. I had a previous video where I talked about commands, where those are on demand. Use exclamation and a code name to anyone in chat can use that and they can have the information pop up. Timers work on their own. You cannot automatically kick these off, but they work very similarly to how commands work. So what you see on the left hand side, to give you a little orientation here, is this is the column on the left is called timer, and this is the key name that is stored for the command that you have. Here you have response, and this is what you want to happen when this timer goes off. And then you have a couple other columns, interval and line minimum. Interval means how often in minutes that command is going to show up in your chat. And the line minimum means how many lines of chat you have to have before this kicks off. Now, one common misconception is that you need to have this line minimum between each of the intervals for that command. That is not true. It is just the total number of lines you have to have in chat before it goes off. So as you can see, I set most of mine to 5. So basically that means as soon as I start streaming, as long as I have 5 lines of chat, these enabled commands will go off based on this interval. If you didn't want to have so many responses go off in your chat, what I would recommend is increasing the minimums. And basically you want to say, okay, if I have 5 people, here's some basic information. If I have 100 lines of chat in my stream, okay, now start showing these. It's up to you how you do it, but that's what they mean. We want to get into how to add them. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click on add timer, and you want to type in a name. So I'm going to type in hello world, and the response is going to say hi there. And here's where you set those interval and the line minimum parameters. Once you set those up, you simply just click save. It will show up at the bottom, already enabled with those 2 parameters. And this, you can actually put in links if you want. Both YouTube and Twitch will translate these text links into an actual clickable link. And you can then delete it if you choose to. You can disable them, you can edit them, but there you go. So that is how you add timed commands into Streamlabs for use on either Twitch or YouTube. So if you like this video, please consider liking, comment, and subscribing. It helps the video and it helps the channel grow. Appreciate it.